Right, so as we were saying, did you feel it? Yeah, I know. So don't forget, right, I'll tell you, that's it, yeah, nice. You got the same as me, innit? A bit of OCD. Like how you position the bottle with the label the right way. Like that to the camera, that's shit, turn that round that way. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, sorry? This? Yeah, that's octopus. Okay, they're nice. That's, no, these are lovely. These are lovely. No, it's okay. I'm quite allergic to most things, and I have tasted it in the past, and up there, and it's quite deadly. Maz is just getting... Yeah, Maz, you know that's finale, Maz. You know that's part of the finale. Ready? Well, stand out here, Maz, me and you. Maz, come over here, go in front of the camera, because you are my... Hey, now listen, on camera, I want to be seen on camera saying this, my brand new shirt, this person is my brand new shirt, and he's normally with me, but now he's an executive on the MD of here and all that. He fell asleep today in the middle of IKO. In the middle of IKO, didn't he? And then he run some bloke over, and then he jumped on an older woman that he jumped on 2 years ago in the balloon race, which is actually on Facebook. I've had 22 likes so far. So this here then, go to the camera, ready? This is the finale to go with the... Go with the cook. Go with the cook. Go to that lady there that's yawning. A little sip. Just have a little sip. No, just sip. No, sip. Try and see what it compares to like Foster's. There is other leading lagers. Nasty? Yeah, nasty. Nasty. Shut the lid. Describe nastiness. Easy. One word. In the box. Yeah. Well, you have to do that, you see. Like you can use that if you like, or you know, because you're new, the speed is better to use your hands. You know, proper chomp on. So Sleek is in. Sleek is in. Yes, we'll do that again. So we're just waiting for the Motor Sports Club. Is there any other clubs that's not represented? Gentlemen, I wish you well. I wish you well. Here comes the fingers, ladies and gentlemen. Best of luck. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. He's very good, doing it. He's very good. He does his thing. He's shot to back fist. He's okay. He's back on. He's back in the box. Here we go. Come on, Nando's. Let's go. You know on the end from Banzo. He's going quite well. He's going quite well. He's chewing on well. He's not shaking his head, and he's been sick already. That's good. He's trying to put some of that in it. You saw he got his lips and that off. Yeah, just that. That's good. That's good. How's Nando's going? Does he need PJ yet? No, he don't need PJ. PJ, just pop over and have a word with Nando's. He's just not an octopus. Yeah, he's just trying an octopus. That's good. The little man on the end. He's very fast. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, that's good. Go on, talk me through it. PJ, talk me through it. Go on, PJ. Push him. 1 of 5 there, lovely, isn't it? That's like a roasted piece of oil or something. Yeah, look at this bloke here. He's doing, Banjo. Hey, he's on it, Banjo. Oh, yeah, they're nice. They're nice. They're fish sticks, they're great. Hey, there they are, yeah. Try the pink stuff, though. Pink stuff's good. Yeah, pink stuff. Come on, Nando's, go on, PJ. Come on, Nando, man. Man's third at the moment. Right, Nando Man's third at the moment. 1 of 5 is not going so well. Mr. Bobrat's just shaking his head. But in the lead is Banzai. Come on, keep going. What's that little one in the end? He normally was. Very good. He's quiet. He just gets on with it. He's going for a bit of a cheese lunch. Nando's, how you doing? Yeah, just keep going. You got Nando's. He's banging it in. He's regurgitating. And Banzai is in the lead. Banzai's in the lead. Second place is going for his lunch of cheese. But Nando's has got 4 pieces to go. Nando's has got 4 to go. Nando's is on it. It's Nando's and Banzai. Banzai and Lanjo. Oh, so you're going to win this, son. Come on. Nando's got 3 lumps. Nando's got 3 lumps. Keep an eye on Banzo. Banzo's got 2.5 lumps. 2.5 lumps. Keep an eye on him. PJ's on it. Keep an eye on him, though. He's going into the... He's got... Son. Look, he's on same as you. 2 lumps in the box. 2 lumps in the box. 2 lumps in the box. Nando's is still going, Maz. Nando's is still going. He's shaking with it. It's Nando's versus Banzo. Nando's versus Banzo. Get behind him. Come on, people. You're third, son. Come on, you're third, son. Come on. Let's go. Nando's is tied for first place. Nando's is tied. He's on the same as you. 2 to go in the box. 2 to go in the box. 2 to go in the box. Stretch it. That's Octopus Bits. Just run it down there. That's Octopus Bits. Go on, son. Keep going, son. You're nearly on second. Keep going. You're leading. Keep going. You know, son, don't give up. You're nearly there. It's going to be Banzai's. It's going to be Nando's and the little secret man on the end. It's Nando's, the secret man on the end. And Banzai. Come on, Banzai. Get focus on that box. Nando's is on it. Nando's is going to look good. Nando's is gravitating. Holy Moses, that was rubbish. You don't go think about it. That box. Just think about that box. I'm going to try and just don't want to whip it. Just suck it. Yeah, just suck it, son. Yeah, keep going. Right, here we go. He's on the box. He's on the box. Come on, he's on the box. Nando's is on the box. Come on, it's going to be tight, son. Come on, son, get on the box. Come on, let's go. So you're going to be second. Keep going. Nando. Yeah, keep on his little man. He's just about to start. This young man is just about to start on his box. This young man's on his box. Yes, I'm on to you. Come on, you're still in second. Come on. Get ready to flip. Get your key in now. Flip. Come on, son. You're making away. Come on, son. Get it. Come on. You drink it. Fast as now, drink it. Come on, drink it. On your head. Nando's win. Banzo was box away. Nice, you've got to go in there. John, get the boss in as well. Hazel, don't stand by your man. Get the directors in, get the sponsor in. Everybody else stay where you are. So get the boss in. Yeah, quite right to race, yeah. Okay, MR2, get back in the seat. MR2, sit in this one. So you're in the picture. That's it. Stand behind your man. Stand there. You stand with John. Maz, get a picture. Ready? Everybody on the table and everybody else, right? Let's go crazy. Pictures together. Thank these 10 people and Nando's. That was amazing. Nando's was unbelievable. Fair play. Keep that going. Now, and the ones who didn't make it, you can still have your keyring and Coke to take home as a souvenir. Oh, let's say so.